students, class 9, chapter 9, probability. First we want to know what is mean by probability. The probability is the possible, that is possibilities. Probably we get the possibilities is the probability. For example, in a week we have 7 days, right? In this 7 days, how many days we get a rain is the possibilities that we call as a probability. In Monday and Tuesday we get rain means that is 2 days probably we get the rain out of 7 days. 2 days we get a rain out of total number of in a week is 7 days. So 2 out of 7 is the probability of getting rain. So otherwise we call it is a chance. It is probability means it is a chance. For example, how we say this season we have the rain, or in summer season we don't have rain, like that. That is, year and year they have the statistics with them, and probably we can say 10 centimeter rain or 100 centimeter rain. That is probably, that is possibility. We can say it is a 100 centimeter rain will be in this particular rainy season. So that is called a probability. If a student went to the hospital for sickness, he has a fever. First, the doctor gives only one injection to the person, it will be cured, or that is the probability. If it gives one inject, it will be cured for that person. That is probability. Or some others, they have to go 2 or 3 times to inject them. So 2 or 3 is the probability here. If your friend asks, how is your health now? I inject 3 times. So the possibilities of injected 3 times is the probability. Then I cure. For example, the farmer growing a wheat, cultivating the wheat, possibilities how many bags of wheat he can get in a 1 or 2 acres. Then I can say in 1 acre I can get 100 bags of wheat. So that is the probability, and that is the possible to get the 100 bags maximum. If I want to get 200 bags, it is impossible, right? So that possible we can say it is a probability. Let's see the definition. Probability is thus a way of quantifying or measuring uncertainty. Here uncertainty we are quantifying or measuring is called a probability. And the probability never be negative. The probability is never be negative. We didn't get negative value in the probability, and also the probability is not more than 1. The probability never be more than 1. The probability is never be negative. In probability we didn't get negative value, and also in probability we didn't get more than 1 value. Next we see the basic ideas of determinist and then random experiment. Let's see what is deterministics. See the definition. Experiments in an identical condition, in a fixed condition, we get almost the same result. Identical, almost the same result. Such experiments are known as deterministic. For example, we are boiling water. First we take only 1 liter of water we are boiling, and your friend takes 10 liter of water. What is the maximum temperature of water? Either you are boiling 1 liter or your friends boiling 100 or 10 liter. The maximum temperature of the water is 100 degrees centigrade. That is 100 degrees Celsius is the maximum temperature. So in an identical condition, both are taking the same water, right? Both are taking the same identical condition. We get almost the same result. Even you are boiling 1 liter water or 10 liter water, we get the same result. That is, the maximum temperature of the water is 100 degrees centigrade. This experiment is known as the deterministic, that is fixed. Deterministic means we can say it is a fixed result we get. Even you can boil 100 liter or thousands liters, we get the maximum temperature for water is 100 degrees centigrade. That is the fixed one. Next we see the random experiment. Random experiment is opposite to that deterministic. That is, here we have identical condition, experiments in an identical condition, we get a different result. Then in deterministic we have same result. Here we get the different result. Then we can say that is a random experiment. Example, in athletics, Usain Bolt and Justin Galton are participating, right? And then identical condition, then the fixed time they have to run, starting point, right? Fixed identical condition they started, but Usain Bolt beat Justin, right? Usain Bolt beat Justin, and then the same another athletics, Justin beated Usain Bolt also, right? So in this condition, the identical condition, both are started the same athletics, but same starting point, but the different result. Once Bolt win, another times Justin wins. This is the random experiment. Another example, let me take it as this is a die. We know that dice we have 6 faces. So each faces we have the number from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, and then 6. And this is the coin. Coin we have 2 faces. There is one is a head, another one is a tail. We call it as a. For the random experiment, the first experiment I throw in the die, I get the number 3. Another time I throw the die, I get the number 6. So each experiment is identical condition. We get the same dice, but we get the different result. See, now it is a 4. So this is the random experiment. I throwing the dice. We get a first time I get number 1, and second time I can get number 2, and then third time I can get number 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6. This is the random experiment. In a coin, if I toss the coin or flipping the coin, right, I get a head. First time I get a head, and then again I flipping the coin, we get a tail. Means this is the random experiment in the same identical condition, but we get the different result. One is head, another one is tail. This is called a random experiment. And then many statistics, they have used the word here experiment or trials. Let's see what is the trials sample space in the next videos. Thank you, students.